If I'm going to create a new word sort and I'm going to use something like drawings, I'm going to open up that word sort folder that I've already created in my drive, and I'm going to do new and mouse over to where it says Google Drawings. So in Google Drawings, you are actually able to use this entire space within the drawing to create with. I'm going to call this word sort template. When I use this area here, I can put in a table, I can put it in a background, I really can put whatever I want. Now, to make it so that the kids don't accidentally click and drag on things and move them off, the easiest thing to use is actually a table. So if I go to Insert, Table, I can make a table as big or as small as I want. So let's say that this is a 2-item sort. So I'm going to do a 2x1 table, and it gives me the ability to create the sort here. Now, if I wanted to have an extra row that would be like a header, then I could have actually made it a 2x2 table, which would have given me the header. So now you'll see I'm clicking and I'm dragging on the corners to make it cover up my whole entire page. I can change how thick the weight of the border is if I want to by coming up here, border weight. Let's say I want it to be a 4-point border and I want it to be green for whatever reason. So now I have the ability to add text here. So you see I've got my text cursor blinking there. I can change my text style and I can change my text size. In addition to that, I can center this. So let's say I'm working on ER, and let me change this here as well. So this is 30, and I'm going to center it, and OR endings. Now I've got these 2 sorting spots for my students. If I want to, I can even color code them. So if I wanted to make the OR words a light blue and the ER words a light yellow, I can do so. I don't like that yellow, let's make it red. Now, here's my template for my sort. I'm going to add the words that the kids are sorting from. So I'm going to come over here to my text box, and I'm just going to draw myself a text box right here. Now, again, I'm going to change my font. I just tend to like the cherry cream soda. It just happens to be my favorite. So I type in my word, and I can make the box as big or as small as I want. Now, to make life easy for myself, I'm just going to copy this box. Hang on, my computer's slow. I'm going to copy this box, and then I'm just going to paste it a bunch of times. I'm going to actually use my keyboard controls of Control-V. And then I can move them out wherever I want to. And then start changing the words inside of them. So inspector was the first one. Creator is another one. Narrator is another one. And I can keep going. So I've got inspector over here, so I need to change that. Radar. Oop, that's a non-standard one. It doesn't fit in any of my thing, but I'm having a hard time coming up with ER words. So anyway, I just keep going and I keep creating these words. Now, when I go to share this with my students, the very best way for me to share this with my students is to actually just simply go into Classroom, find the class where I want to share it, go to the Classwork tab, and I'm going to create an assignment. So this is going to be my ER, OR word sort. If I want to, I can give instructions. I don't really feel like it's necessary. I'm going to attach this as a topic to word sort so it all shows up in the right place. I don't really want to make this a graded assignment, but I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to pull it from my drive. Now, since I just worked on it, it should be right there. I click on it. I click Add. And I change it from Can View to make a copy. So now, when I assign it to my students, when the students actually come in to work with that assignment, what they will see, so let me change over to a student account. Sorry, I have lots and lots of things open here. So when I come back and as a student, here's my word sort. The student goes in, they view the assignment, and now they have the ability to interact, and they would just click and drag the words into the correct spot. You could even have them do a screencastify like I'm doing and record what they're reading and what they're doing as they go. But that's how you create a word sort using Google Drawings.